Hello everyone, welcome back to our online English class once again. Today we are going to do an activity with alphabets. You have learned all the capital letters from A to Z and 5 small cursive letters, that is A, B, C, D, E. So, all the alphabet cards are here. First, we will count how many alphabet cards are here. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, total 10 numbers of alphabet cards. Now we will sort out the cards according to their family. But can you identify which are capital letters and which are cursive small letters? Okay, let's see. Which letter is this? Yes, capital A. Now, next, which letter is this? Yes, this is B. Then who comes after B? Find out. Yes, C. C is next to B. Now, who will come after C? Yes, this is D. And after D, there will be E. So, we have arranged the alphabets from A to E. A, B, C, D, E. Now, among these cursive small letters, let us identify all of them. Can you remember the names of the alphabets? Okay, let's see. Which letter is this? This is cursive small c. This is cursive small b. This is cursive small e. This is cursive small a. And this is cursive small d. Now, we will arrange again these letters according to their position. So, who will come first? Yes, small a. Then after a, there will be small b. And next to b is small c. Then after c, there will be small d. And finally, after D, there is small e. So, we have arranged the capital letters with their small cursive letters. Capital A, small a. Capital B, cursive small b. Capital C, cursive small c. Capital D, cursive small d. Capital E, cursive small e. Now, our matching is done through the flashcards. But children, can you say how many colors are here? It's very easy to say. Here are two types of colors. See, this is yellow and this is also yellow. This is also yellow and these are also yellow in color. And here another color is brown. All these colors are brown. This is brown in color. This is also brown in color. These are also brown in color. So here we saw two types of colors we used for making flashcards. Now take out your English page from your school copy and write down CW and today's date 25.7.21.
Now on the top you will write M A T C H, match. Then this side you will write C A P I T A L, capital, and this side you will write cursive C U R S I V E. Now in the left side we will write all the capital letters from A to E. So first you will write A, then B, then C, then D, and then E. And this side under cursive you will write the small letters haphazardly, like C, then E, then A, then B, and last one is D. Now you have to match the capital letters with the cursive small letters. So this is capital A and we have to match with cursive small a. So let's find out, where is cursive small a? Is this cursive A? No. Is this small a? No. Is this small a? Yes. So we will match the capital A with the cursive small a. In this way, you will match the capital letters with their cursive small letters. And you will do the homework again.